Now, on Thursday morning, over 1,000 traders besieged the forecourt session of the Dr. Mensah part of the Kumasi Central Market, a situation that compromises the social distancing protocols. For now, over 2,000 traders have been allowed to sell their goods as part of the shift arrangement by city authorities to control the numbers and ensure sanity in fighting the COVID-19 fight. My colleague Nana Asensu Mensah has been interacting with some traders and city authorities and joins us from the Kumasi Central Market. Nana, tell us, what have they been telling you? The market has been open now. First, let's start with the traders. Nana, if you can hear me, let's start with the traders. The reaction from them after the long closure. Now they have the opportunity to go back there to do their business. What has the reaction been?
Yeah, Kojo, everything is back to normalcy now. Earlier today, around 8 a.m., about 1,000 traders besieged this part of the market. That is the Dr. Mensah part of the market. And then, yeah, so with the help of the security personnel, the numbers have been able to be curtailed. And then they have distributed at least 2,000 identification cards to the traders for them to resume their normal business. So today is the turn for the people with the red tags. They are going to do the business today, and then the yellow and the green will continue subsequently. So for now, everything is okay, as I said, and then the traders are doing their normal business with the help of the security personnel who contained the crowd earlier in the morning. Because earlier the situation was very bad. Social distancing protocols were breached, and then also congestion was also serious over here. But for now, they're doing the business, as you can see behind me. I have one of the market leaders here, who is part of those who are sharing the cards, and then she's part of the leadership of the traders. Your friend was saying?
Lydia.
Ma Lydia. Okay, Ma Lydia. Catcher, send a Muslim who a red tag. Send a Muslim chair cards.
Ya pacho bantu for the ache mumiensa. And the red na miminyaye. Inti a chance to green for beba. Na di acha yellow a yellow. Adi acha a green and a red and a cha yellow. Adi acha green for the beba.
No, yes, I open your town. How?
Oh, I me. O madum ye pass. Yari ninti di omaya ke me mpanifo ayamaye no efe pa nti ha me kula said me ba me nso menya kakra na me medi ma me pa.
So, and she is my leader. She is part of the leaders of the cassava sellers. And then she is saying that she belongs to the red tag, and then they are doing the business today. But tomorrow will be the turn of the yellow and then the green. And I also asked her that tomorrow she will not be coming here to do her trade. Does it disturb her, or is it going to affect her business somehow? And then she is saying that no, she's okay because of the virus. She has to come in terms with what the city authorities are recommending for them. So she's okay. So Ma Lydia represents a number of traders here at the Central Market, specifically at the Dr. Mensah section of the Central Market. That is what they have been going through now. So this is a representation of, let's say, almost all the traders here. All the traders are okay. They believe that the social distancing will help them to ensure that the market is not closed. Mind you, Ernest, somewhere in the week, this part of the market was closed down because the traders were not adhering to the social distancing. So they fear that if they don't adhere to the social distancing protocols and the directive by the assembly, the market might be closed down again. Ernest.
Well, I understand there is some sort of a shift system where, you know, the traders one batch of the traders would have to sell today. There's another batch that will come tomorrow just to reduce congestion in the market. But what about observing the issue of, you know, putting on protective gears, the gloves and washing your hands? Has that been observed as well?
Ernest, I must say, as you can see on the screens, the traders are somewhat observing the social distancing protocol, but I can't see any of the traders in PP, that is a personal protective equipment. None of them are wearing gloves or, let's say, face masks to protect themselves. But if you know this market used to be a very busy market. So the numbers were overwhelmed, but for now, even they say that they've been able to control the crowd. That is what you can see now. But if you ask of any personal protective equipment, no. As you can see in your screens, this is the section of the cassava traders. None of them is wearing a glove, no. Okay, very well. So let me talk to them and ask them why they're not wearing gloves. My bachelor friend.
I feel my face a while.
I feel so. I didn't say auto, but I didn't. I won't share gloves and I said no mask. I can't tell you.
Benjamin Tiasi.
I say didn't. I won't share gloves and I saw for the show on sa. Now I'm from Tom Banch. I see area ba. Also, don't say be someone no. I said I share gloves and protective mask.
The bachelor woman me bala me ref me Jennifer. I feel my face a while.
So this is a fiesta. She says she has one in the house, but when she was coming to the market today, she forgot to bring along with the PP. Let me also speak to another trader here. About your friend say.
If I address the car,
you know who did that? On mask, on gloves. Then tell us.
if I tell I could for one more for the any capre, as I tell you, any other, any capre to more, auto money and fancy.
If you only card, but gloves and I say that one.
To be able to offer me on Kevin Lane. And money address the car. If you got it.
So that's my colleague Nana Senso Mensah. They're interacting with traders at the market. They have resumed trading after the market was closed down because of a lack of respect for the social distancing protocols. We'll see how going forward the city authorities would enforce the measures they put in place.